This is the last week of September. October's coming up. I'm going to be hauling out on Monday, this about 3 days from now. This is my last ride for the season, my last good little ride, going out for a little cruise. Today I'm going to be concentrating in winterizing the water system. I showed you how to do the oil on the last video and get into the water system today. Meanwhile, I'll go for a little cruise first. Put some stabilizer in the tank today, so it's a good opportunity to mix it up. Also put a little bit of gas in here too, so for the winter. Be easier on the pocketbook in the spring. You know, I have a little gas now. But pretty soon I'll be getting the boat wrapped up, the engine's winterized, and be heading south. Alright, well, I'm going to start winterizing. This is my water pump here. I'm taking it as this is the supply line coming from my water tank, feeding in, and then this is the exit right here. That's the way I got it figured. So I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to put this hose on here with this fitting. It's my plan. I'm going to put this end in. I'm probably going to cut this hose down a little bit, but I'm going to put this end in the bottle of the antifreeze and suck up directly from the bottle. So anyway, so I'll put the antifreeze in, put the hose in the bottle of the antifreeze here, and this way I don't have to dump 4 or 5 gallons of the pink stuff right directly into the tank. Prior to this, I've already ran the water dry out of the tank, so we should be good there. I might pour a little bit in the bottom of it, but I'm not going to have to rinse a whole lot out. Just want to make sure we don't freeze. Alright, so I got Jerry here. He's going to knock the switch on, but I got the pink on the hose here. I've hooked that up to the water pump. It's hard to see. Got a very tight compartment here, so it's tough, but it's hooked up right there. Go ahead, Jerry. Okay. Let's see if it sucks it up. I also took one of the lines out. It's working.
I hear the air coming out of the galley.
Okay, so we're gonna drain the hoses or the things. So we'll do the hot first. The hot is, I figure, the furthest on the loop. So we'll just let that run until we get pink. So there's our pink right there. And then so I'll do all the hot first, which I'm going to do the bathroom next. I'll do all the hot, then I'll come back and I'll do all the cold. So here's, once you got the furthest one done, the other ones go really fast because it's already through the loop. It's a matter of just getting it through the individual appliance. Probably going to change the bottle right now though. Let's put a new bottle on. So we drained 1 gallon already, just priming the lines. Anything left in the bottom of the bottles be the ones I pour down the head, the toilet. But we'll pull this out. So this is actually working real good. We're not having to dump this into the water tank. So I'll set this down here. This on here. Okay. And I am gonna do some acrobatics. And don't forget your shower. You got hot water in your shower. till it turns pink. Now it's pink. Make sure we get a lot in there. Okay, so all the hot water's done. We're gonna just leave that loose because we're gonna have to come back to the cold in a minute. So I start all over again, only with the cold outlets of the boat. This is dead. That's what I was counting on. Okay, once again you start at the furthest. This will be the one that takes the longest. Which Jerry ran it a little bit already, so it's already there. Then we're going to step back to the head. This time we do the sink and the toilet. Now stepping back so you can see. You'll get a little pink at first just because it's in from the hot. So now we got pink here. Now I got to do the toilet. Got fresh water in the toilet. So I'm going to run that, and as you can see, the bowl is pink now. Beautiful. Now I took some PEX off of the hot water tank, which this ended up getting disabled. It just drained, it gravity drained. I don't think I'm going to worry about it. I was able to bypass the hot water tank that way. So I have to put all that pink in there. When I get done, I'll probably hook it back up so I don't forget about it for next spring. Now I do the shower. Cold water side. And that's pink right now. I have one more to do. That's my little wash down hose. Probably save a quart if I took this off the hose, but that's too much trouble. So just turn it on. I'll spray this until I get pink out of here, and it'll be good. It just went pink.
We just ran out of this gallon.
So I don't think we need a new gallon. I think we're good. We went through 2 gallons that way. If you're dumping it in the tank, you're going to go through at least 5 to 6 gallons. Because you got to fill enough to get in the tank. You got to get enough to fill the hot water tank. So you go through about 6 gallons that way if you're not going to bypass the hot water tank. Now the plumbing system on the boat is winterized, so we're done with that part.